Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2025 Yamaha. This is a 195S. So this is the supercharged motor on this boat. Got the new really nice light gray on the hull here with the black and then the white deck on top. Real sharp looking boat. Water sports tower. Comes with this trailer. And the 195S has some nice upgrades, C-deck back here, and a little transom remote for the stereo. We're gonna hop inside and we'll show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we're in the boat now. We're in the bow here. For a 19-foot boat, it's a pretty roomy little bow. And hang out up here, you got removable cushions, storage under the port and starboard seats, and some speakers for nice listening. As you can see, we're standing on nice snap-in C-deck flooring. Very, very nice and comfortable, stays nice and cool. Over here at the captain's helm, you got your Bluetooth stereo, phone charger, and the Connect screen. Bolstered, nice, comfortable captain's chair. Coming right around, got the nice seats back here with storage underneath, removable cover, or removable seat here so you can take it out so you don't step on it. And the co-captain's chair. And a lot of storage underneath here, in-floor storage. Great boat, 19 foot, a lot of horsepower with the high output motor, supercharged. So come on out to our MarineMax store in Greenville and check out this 195S. And you can even call us if you want at 864-236-9005.